What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can remove your audio from your video, how you can separate the two. And now you can also choose different formats you want. You want the video to be removed in mp3 or any wave, also wave. So we're going to use Shotcut to do it in this video. So this is it. I have my Shotcut open right here. So what I need to do right now is to drag in the video that I want to remove the audio from. So this is it. I'll drag it in right here. So that's it. I'm gonna pause it, and I'm gonna come to the left hand side right here, and I'm gonna look for the format first. So I'm gonna come down to audio, then choose mp3. Yep, after choosing mp3, I'm gonna come down to extract right here. Look at extract right there. So now I'm going to choose where I want it to be saved. So just put in the name. I'm just gonna leave it on my desktop. So after typing in the name, I'll press save. Then after clicking on that, on the right hand side, you're gonna see it. Look at it right there. You can see that option that shows the countdown that the video is, that the sound is being extracted from the video. You can see it counting, and it's pretty fast. And one more thing again, you notice I did not move the video to the track down here. Nope, no need of doing that. I just moved it into when you put in the video inside the Shotcut. I don't need to drag it down to the track. So this is it right here. You can now see, and it doesn't take time. So once it's done extracting the audio, it will automatically appear on my desktop. Desktop is where I have chosen for where the video will be saved to on my desktop. Makes it easier. So after that is done, okay, so you can see right now is done. It has extracted the video. You can see the pass mark right there. So right now let's close the Shotcut. After closing it, come over to the audio. Look at it right here. This is it. So I can go ahead and play it. I can insert it into another video. So that is how you can easily extract audio from your video using Shotcut. Thanks for watching this video. If this video has been useful to you, you can go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this. Check out this other video right here.